time. I'm sure you can guess what this is. I bought unfortunately, a Duraflex kit for my 240 coupe. I wanted an Origin aggressive kit, but I'm pretty sure you gotta buy a 180 front bumper and then a Sylvia kit, and I didn't feel like doing all that and spending all the money, so we're gonna make a Duraflex kit fit. We're gonna try. We'll see. So let me get this out of the box and we'll get started. So we're gonna start off with the passenger side skirt. I lost my tripod, so we're gonna use this here oil jug. That works great, actually. Unfortunately, this is smashed in, so we're gonna make do. My door is also smashed. But anywho, what I'm gonna do is shoot a self-tapper under the door to hold it in place. I think there's a hole right here. What I'm gonna do is drill a hole in the fiberglass and zip tie it there. And then for up here, there's a hole right there. Can't really see it. We'll drill another one through the fiberglass of the bumper or the side skirt and the fender. And then we're gonna get that on. Probably shoot two in there, help hold it in place. So first of all, I'm going ahead and trying to do the front bumper since the wheel's already off. They didn't cut that out. That's really weird. I've never seen a body kit not have that cut out. So they hit the headlights, so we got to cut that off real quick. And hopefully it doesn't look like shit. Just what I love breathing. So now, it may or may not just slide on here. It does, but it sits too damn low. So we got the rear on. Just one zip tie there, one on the other side. Those tabs I ended up welding up. They hold the bumper on. I do plan on doing a bash bar, but only complaint is that big gap. Although it's really not that big when you're standing above the car. It still bothers me, but we're going to deal with it. Had to trim some of this off in here. Still might trim a little bit more off, but got her on. I'm going to go ahead and do this side skirt while the wheel's off, and then put her back on the ground. Hello again. It's been a couple days, a couple weeks actually since I recorded, but I got most of my aero fitted. I actually bought another coupe the other day, and I took the side skirts from that, so I'm gonna use those because I like those better. Yeah, and I'm about to start sanding everything down, hopefully painting tomorrow because it's supposed to be warm out. But I got all new front suspension on, B-knuckle, 15 mil lower control arms, tie rods, all that stuff's brand new. I did all brand new GK Tech rear arms, and then yeah, did an exhaust, oil change. Yeah, so we got an event in 3 weeks and we're trying to get the car done. Oh, I forgot to record. Anywho, I got my side skirts all somewhat sanded down. I peeled the wrap. The paint was super cracked underneath, so I had to sand it all the way down to bare fiberglass. And then primered it, sanded it smooth again. It took me all day to sand everything. Like, the garage is a mess. Literally been sanding all day long. But the car's all sanded, ready to go. I gotta mask things off, but I went ahead and painted the rest of my kit besides one skirt. This side skirt's like, eh. I should have just bought new ones, but the lighting in here really sucks. But I'm making do. You don't really realize how wavy your body panels are, like how terrible the body panel before you paint it. You don't really realize how shitty it is until you spray it. So it's just a drift car. As long as it looks good from 20 feet away, I'm happy. I already did my first coat, so we're gonna wait on that to dry. Wait about 15 minutes. We'll go ahead and do our second coat. And then I gotta wait a few days to do this because I ran out of sealer, so go figure. Anywho, we're gonna go ahead and get the second coat on and we'll be back. So I did my last coat of clear. So far, so good. There's a couple little, bumps and stuff in there, but that's just because I hate sanding. Overall, 10 footer. I'm happy with that. It's a drift car. Cool color though. Pretty stoked with how well it came out. I could wet sand and buff it, but I don't really care. It's good enough for me. So we're gonna let this dry overnight. Gas door over there. One of the side skirts I gotta redo. Oh my, look at that run right there. Yep, fix that. Really didn't want that dripping on the over fender, but pretty decent if I do say so myself. There's a big water hose right there. I could probably just turn that on, but that'd make a huge mess. Almost out of water already. I don't see my fan doesn't suck up that much air, so I don't think it'd kick up that much dust anyway, but if we're gonna do it, might as well semi-do it right. So far, so good. I had to sand the fenders down, quite little spots. You can kind of see the scratches, but there's also a fucking hair that I didn't see beforehand. I decided last second to paint my helmet. It looks like shit, but it's gonna be cool, I guess. Overall, it's a drift car. I'm trying not to be too picky. The nicer it is, the more afraid I'm gonna wreck it. So, the shittier it is, the better I drive. So here in a few minutes I'm gonna mix up some clear coat, finally start clearing. I pretty much ran out of paint. Damn near, not enough to do another coat, so I think it's covered pretty good. So we're gonna clear it, probably let it dry for a day, and then put it together tomorrow. I'm not in a big rush to put the body panels and shit on because I gotta take them right back off to do everything else.
Biggie Pain on the beat, bitch.